Just finished this track for my nigga from NGR. About to give you a little sample, my boy.
On the street for the club, there's no talking, no clapping. What? That's a nigga's hollow. Yeah, that's a nigga's hollow. If a nigga playing games, I'ma go get him. Just another fuck day in the life of a villain. Yes, we don't have no feelings, so numb, just gripping the guns, aiming at tongues. What you tryna say, boy? Niggas don't play, you niggas is not ready for the noise. You hearing this on my voice, I'm the real one. Your girl pussy more, so she bout to come and feel something. Then she never felt before. Niggas in the spot, and we all got hella dope. Everybody looking jealous though, and that's how it's supposed to be when you keep it real like me. Hell yeah, I'm blowing free. Henny in my lap now, got the semi ready to react on a nigga, make him take a nap forever. And niggas never gonna be clever like me. And anyway, I'ma bring the heat. It's live. Bring 'em out. I'm about to whip with my hand up. That's my hollow. Say hello to a nigga's hollow. Hit the strip club, put my money up. Tell me no talking, no clapping. On the streets or the club, there's no talking, no clapping. That's a nigga's hollow. Yeah, that's a nigga's hollow.
I have to stand up. You know my niggas. Team, squad, band squad.